I was going to buy the ingredients for my Christmas puddings, it was actually dry, so we thought we'd ride our bikes into town. We went to our local food loose shop to buy some of the ingredients. It's a great way to reduce packaging, and I only needed to buy the actual amount that I needed for the puddings. Most of the ingredients in the shop are organic. You take your own containers along and the staff will weigh out your ingredients. The choice in the shop is vast, and they also stock cleaning materials and toiletries. I think it's a great way to shop to save on packaging and food waste. It's lovely also that you can stop at the shop for a coffee, and I believe they also have homemade cake. I just wanted to show you how I make my Christmas pudding. It's Stir Up Sunday today, so everybody in the family needs to give the pudding a stir. For the last few days I've had all my dried fruit soaking in whiskey just to add to the flavour, so I'm just going to pop this into the big bowl. I've also put in some grated apple. The smell is amazing. And then you literally just add all of the other ingredients, which is suet, plain flour, dark brown sugar, I've got breadcrumbs, oops, just stuck in there, honey, and then I need to just add a teaspoon of the cinnamon and baking powder. Teaspoon of that. Teaspoon of that. Some lemon zest. And 3 eggs. Just going to whisk them up individually a little bit. And the last one. And now I'm going to give it a really good stir and get it into the bowls. Smells so nice. Fill these up about 3/4 full. I'll just see how it goes around. press down on it. One, and pop the lid on, and that's ready to be steamed. I've got 3 containers there, so that's about 2.5 pints worth of mix. I always put mine in the slow cooker for about 6 hours. So what I do is I put some screwed up tin foil in the base of my slow cooker, and then half fill it with boiling water, so that when I put the pots in, the water would go up to about halfway onto them. And then I just leave them in there for about 6 hours on a low heat, and normally that's plenty. I seem to have made one too many puddings, so what we thought we would do is give one away as a prize. All you've got to do is tell me when our first event is for the Baking Bird. If you go to @thebakingbird UK on Instagram or Facebook, you will find the answer. Just leave a comment in the comments box. I'm really sorry, but for obvious reasons, this competition is only open to people that live in the UK.